Hey peeps, it's Suzette from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an AP Maths question on solving an inequality. In this inequality, we have an x to the power of 4 minus 81 factor and a squared factor. The squared factor is always positive or equal to 0. So that one we can ignore. Only thing is we need to realize is that x equal to 4 is always a solution of this equation. So we can just factorize the x to the 4 minus 81 into a difference of squares and then factorize further, which gives us two linear factors, a quadratic factor that is always positive. So x squared plus 9 is always positive, and it doesn't have a 0. So we can, in fact, ignore that one too. And we are left with just a quadratic inequality. Now, if we put our critical values on a number line, so we have got minus 3 and 3 as critical values. They are included because of the less than or equal to. And don't forget about x equal to 4. Let's just put it on our number line so we don't forget about it. So looking at our critical values here, anything smaller than minus 3, this product would be positive. Something in between, this product would be negative. Something bigger than 3, the product would be positive. And the 4 is just a critical value. Okay, then less than or equal to 0, less than is this bit over here. Equal to 0 is the minus 3, the 3, and the 4. And so our solution can be written that x is between and including the minus 3 to the 3, including the 3, or just this value 4 itself, curly brackets because it's a listed set. Okay, so we can ignore the x squared plus 9 because it's always positive. We can ignore the x minus 4 squared because it's always positive. We just have to remember x equal to 4 is a solution. Okay, before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.